Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. So this PC is, as the title suggests, is a bit of an all-rounder. Whether you're gaming, whether you're video editing, no matter what you're doing, this PC pretty much has you covered. We'll go through the specs and we'll get stuck into building it. So we've got the Ryzen 5700X 8-core 16-thread CPU. We've got 32 gigabytes of Corsair RAM, 3200 MHz CL16. We have a Samsung 980 Pro NVMe SSD. We've got a Gigabyte B550M DS3H Wi-Fi motherboard. We've got an RTX 3070 here, so this is the Asus Dual, I believe it's called. We've got a 650 watt Thermaltake power supply. We've got an all-in-one liquid cooler, and we've got the Thermaltake, I think it's the S200 case. No, sorry, the View 200 case. And we got an all-in-one liquid cooler and an extra fan to go onto that. So, pretty good little build here. So let's get stuck right into it. Thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all tomorrow in the next video.